Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. This is the second video in a series where I show you how I recorded a vocal in a hotel room with an SM7 that sounded like this.
Look to the wise and the brave, but they lied
And got it to sound like this.
and put us back in chains. Tonight, stop the noise, embrace the silence.
In the last video we added some dynamic and normal EQ just to fix the problem frequencies and to boost the frequencies that were lacking in the vocal. In this video we're going to look at compression. Right, so the first plugin that I'm going to bring in is the Wave CLA2A. Now I'm going to be compressing this really hard as I really want the vocal to be right in my face. But the great thing about the CLA2A is it's quite transparent. Let me show you.
Something
Let's bring the peak reduction down.
seems to be broken and frayed.
So we've lost quite a lot of output, so let's give that a boost.
Will they forgive us for the mess we have made?
And let's check the output.
Will they forgive us for the mess we have made? And I look to
Let's
the
bypass it.
wise and the brave.
So the next plugin I'm going to bring in is the FabFilter Pro C2. Now what I'm going to be doing with this plugin is use parallel compression. I'm going to be compressing quite hard, but I'm going to let some of the dry mix come through. Let's have a listen. Right, let's bring the threshold
Something
back.
within us seems to be broken and frayed. Will they forgive us
Let's bring the ratio up
for the mess
so it's
we
compressing
have
even harder.
made? And I,
So now you can really hear that vocal being squashed.
something within us
Let's leave the attack where it is.
seems to be broken and frayed.
Slow down the release just a tiny bit.
Will they forgive us?
Okay, let's bring back the output.
For the mess
And now I'm going to let some of the dry signal through.
And I look to the wise and the brave,
Let's bring the volume back just a bit.
but they lied and put us back in chains.
Okay, let's hear that track again with all the plugins bypassed.
Something within us seems to be broken and frayed.
So as you can hear, it's dull and lifeless. And let's bring them in.
Something within us seems to be broken and frayed.
Right, so now that's really poking through the mix. So now we've added all that compression, we've now got some sibilance problems. So we need to bring in a de-esser, and let's bring in the FabFilter Pro DS.
Something within us seems to be broken and frayed.
So that's already working for me. I'm just going to bring back the range just a little bit.
Will they forgive us for the mess we have made?
Now that's really sorted out the vocals. Let's have another listen.
But they lied and put us back in chains. Tonight, stop the noise, embrace the silence. We could be giants.
Okay, so now that's really made the vocal poke through the mix. Join me in the next video where I'm going to have a look at effects just to make the vocals sit in the track. I'm Paul from Production Expert. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time.